Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to block in WhatsApp on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Write in the comments, did you succeed in my way to do or not? I will read and reply to everyone. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp with you. And then we open up chats, contacts, calls. And in order to block someone, we select a contact in the chats. Let's say this one. Click on their profile. Scroll down and click. Here I have it says unblock. You'll see it says block. Click block and then block again. Now you can block a contact. You can also block any of your contacts that you have by clicking here or the calls that have been made to you. Click on this button here. Scroll down and it will say block. And you block that person. That's how easy it is to block someone on WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you liked and found this video helpful, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.